Finish that one off. No, you're probably not going to fall for that again, are you? Actually, you probably didn't fall for it last time. Yeah. Right. Welcome to the next day in December. Today we are having a Young Henry's motorcycle oil. I have had this before. It is lovely. I really like it. It wasn't very big on the bitter, but it was definitely big on the malt and the charcoal and a little bit of sweetness with maybe a chocolate and all that. But I'm talking out of sync here. So I shall open. I shall pot pour. Not as dark or as brown as the brown. That doesn't look like my motorcycle oil. My motorcycle oil is definitely a lot darker and viscous than that. However, it's as I remember on the nose. It's definitely more burnt, more charcoal flavours than the brown. I think the brown had a little bit more maltiness to it, to be honest. Mouthfeel is good, low bitterness. No, exactly as I remember. Very nice, guys. Cheers.